Huanglong is known for its extensive limestone terraces, forming thousands of shallow pools in natural shades of yellow, turquoise, and blue.
黄龙就是这样的景色著称。对，
Huanglong Scenic Area is located in Songpan County, northern Sichuan, China. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this high mountain valley is known for its rare limestone formations and terraced mineral pools. At the heart of Huanglong are its thousands of travertine limestone pools. Mineral-rich spring water flows slowly over the valley floor, depositing calcium carbonate over thousands of years. This process gradually builds thin layers of limestone, giving each pool its step shape. Variations in depth, mineral content, and sunlight create subtle differences in color across the terraces. In some areas, the terraces form cascading waterfalls, where water glides over hardened limestone walls. These cascades continue to shape the landscape today, making Huanglong a living geological site. To protect the fragile terraces, visitors explore Huanglong along elevated wooden boardwalks that limit direct contact with the pools. More than a scenic destination, Huanglong demonstrates how water, minerals, and time combine to shape one of China's most unique high mountain landscapes. These terraced pools and waterfalls are a quiet record of geological processes still at work today.